that you love me outside of fact.
What's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing a review for a Komplete Kontrol M32 today. So that's what I have here. I'm recording with my phone, so sorry if But yeah, this is it right here. The box is smaller than what I actually thought it would be, but shit, as long as it's in here, it works. And then it's really light. It's like light, yeah. But let's get to it. Debit card. These whole love it. Don't you just like enjoy holding these, like popping them too? I'm not gonna do it though. Y'all save them. This is tiny. This is it right here. Yo, this is. What? This is really small, y'all. This is tiny, as you can see, but I guess let's get in there. So this is what it comes with. It comes with one of these, you know what I'm saying? And then this is it. This is so freaking nice, man. It's icy, and the best thing is that it's really light. It's like light, and it's not even huge. It's not big. It's not long. It's like comfortable. You can put this in your travel bag or backpack without no worries, or checking it in and all that nonsense. Thanks for watching my stuff, my videos, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated. Peace, yo.
All my niggas wanna catch flow, and I'm steady calling bankroll. But nobody think that they want to. Waiting, I got smooth. Pigeon wars got me pooping. I could be goofy, my booty look juicy. I am not Cupid.